My pitch. Interesting little fact. When I'm up here where there's no Wi-Fi and no phone signal, my phone works really well. It works really fast. The app's open straight away. The recording button works straight away. Sometimes it'll stop when it feels like it, but it works straight away. Interesting that when there's no Wi-Fi signal around. The reason I camped here last night was because there's an electric fence and there's sheep in the woods up on North Hill. And mountain bikers, the bastards, gave me a fucking heart attack last night.
And up the trail we're gonna go. And what we gonna find up here?
It did rain a bit earlier. Not enough for me to rearrange things, but a little bit. Oh, fuck my kneecaps, fuck my kneecaps. Watch out for the sheep shit, watch out for the sheep shit. This is North Hill, proper. Like somebody went for a shit and had wet wipes behind. Fucking wet wipes. Fucking assholes. There we go. View from the English side of North Hill. There's the rain clouds. A lot of bugs up here. And ticks. Now last night, now the weird lights I keep seeing. Yeah, the orange ones could be a street light in the distance on the other side of the valley. Or it could be an owl. I don't know. But they're really fucking hell. Really humid up here. In the woods it's great. Nice clear air. The trees absorb most of the humidity. Up here, really hard breathing. Yeah, I'm guessing it's at this angle. So on that hill, straight in front of me there, there's a lot of activity. Maybe you can see the slight misting in the trees there. It would have been about there. There's a lot of activity there last night. It's only at night. Like, I don't know, midnight maybe? When it was full dark. I could see lights constantly like moving around over there. And I thought it might be a helicopter because it was so fucking bright. And I mean like really, really dazzling. It kept me awake. I could hear like the occasional booming. I can't see any construction there. But there is a very suspicious patch of fog in that one area. So some sort of construction, maybe? The issue is, there's no way to get to it, other than hiking through a lot of evergreen trees. There might be a track, I don't know. But I can't see anything on a map to actually get there. It's right where that little cloud layer is. Cloud layer, it's fog. But very, very localized fog. Yeah. Oh, I did try to record it, but you couldn't see anything because it was just, it's through the mosquito netting. And now and again, it's big boom. So, yeah, that's weird, that. Activity you got up here. I'm so pissed off at people leaving wet wipes lying around, because that stuff never degrades. There's more up there as well. So, yeah.
Down in the valley is mine head.
Not your head, but mine head. Love it up here. I keep thinking I might hitch my hammock lower down in the valley, so there's more wind protection, but it's also more humid, and there's more people walking and mountain biking. And the view, when I do come over to look at it, it's really nice. I can't stand still long because of the ticks. Ooh, smoke from my fire. I think my coffee could be done. But yeah, it's the trees are so nice up here as well. Because you've got oak. This is all oak here. All this is oak. Because it's oak in this little woodland, there's no squirrels. None. There's no squirrels, no rats, nothing like that. You go further down, like down across that side, you've got a lot more sweet chestnut, which means you've got a lot more squirrels and rats for the nuts. Whereas up here you don't. They're not a fan of acorns. There's a lot of rain clouds up there. I am tempted to walk further up the hill, but honestly, I don't like going too far when the fire's lit. It's unlikely because of the humidity and the bit of rain we had earlier, bugs, to actually. Oh yeah, this is where the it sounds like a motocross, but it's actually bugs swarming in these fern bushes when the sun first hits it. Yeah, and the smoke's moving. Okay, I'm gonna go check on the fire. I just don't like leaving it unattended for too long.